Here's a new 2018 Mazda 3 5-door. Smart, charming, fun, beautiful. This Mazda 3 is so many things, it's hard to believe it's still a compact hatchback. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, power sliding sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and inline 4-cylinder engine. Kelley Blue Book calls it exceptionally stylish and fun from day one. For all the things that drive you, there's Mazda. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Hall Automotive. More cars, great people. Hall Mazda, a MileOne company, is conveniently located at 4372 Holland Road in Virginia Beach.